Welcome back to HB Car Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that's proving to be more than just a city commuter. Toyota has stepped up the game in design, comfort, technology, and performance for this year's model, making it a strong contender in its segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Corolla Cross features a bolder, more refined look. Toyota has updated the front fascia with a larger mesh grille, slim LED headlights, and a sharper bumper design that gives it a more aggressive presence on the road. The sculpted body lines add a dynamic look from the sides, while the rear features updated LED taillights and a slightly more aerodynamic profile. Alloy wheels now come standard, starting at 17 inches and going up to 19 inches on the higher trims. The overall stance is more SUV-like than ever, offering a balanced mix of ruggedness and city-ready style. Inside, Toyota has made some impressive improvements. The cabin feels more premium, with soft-touch materials across the dashboard, doors, and center console. The updated 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's paired with a much more intuitive UI, a fully digital 12.3-inch. Driver display replaces the traditional gauge cluster on higher trims, adding to the modern vibe. The seats are well bolstered, with cloth upholstery on the base trims and leather on the XLE and hybrid premium trims. Rear legroom is generous for a compact SUV, and the panoramic sunroof adds an airy, open feel. Cargo space sits at about 25.5 cubic feet behind the second row, enough for groceries, luggage, or weekend gear. Now, let's talk performance. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes with two main powertrain options. The standard gas variant features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower, paired with a CVT transmission. It offers smooth acceleration and decent power for daily driving. But the real star is the upgraded hybrid model. It combines a 2.0-liter engine with 3 electric motors, pushing a combined 196 horsepower. Thanks to Toyota's latest hybrid system, it's not just more powerful but also impressively efficient, offering up to 40 miles per gallon combined. Whether you're commuting in the city or hitting the highway, the hybrid offers a great mix of performance and fuel savings. Ride quality is another strong point. The suspension feels well-tuned, absorbing bumps without making the ride feel floaty. Steering is light but accurate, making city maneuvering a breeze. All-wheel drive is available on both gas and hybrid variants, which adds confidence in wet or light off-road conditions. Toyota's safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, now comes standard on all trims, reinforcing Toyota's focus on safety. Finally, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross starts at around $26,000 for the base L trim. The mid-range LA comes in at about $28,500, offering more tech and comfort features. The XLE tops the gas range at approximately $31,000. The hybrid variants start at roughly $29,000 and go up to about $34,000 for the fully loaded hybrid premium, a WD trim. Given the features, efficiency, and reliability Toyota is known for, the pricing feels fair and competitive in today's SUV market. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is a well-rounded package. It's stylish, spacious, fuel-efficient, and packed with safety and tech features. Whether you're a young professional, a small family, or just looking for a dependable crossover with low running costs, the new Corolla Cross deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching HB Car Review. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed car reviews. See you in the next one.